Text overlay, stop doing this, bold red on black. 0.5s freeze frame. Stop doing artificial intelligence if you want artificial intelligence results. B-roll, person staring blankly at ChatGPT, copying and pasting. 47% of people using AI tools every single day are using them completely wrong. And they have no idea. Text overlay, 47% pulse animation. In the next 8 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly what that 47% is doing wrong, the 3-word rule that top performers use instead, and the one question you need to ask before every single prompt that instantly doubles your output quality. B-roll, split screen, left side, person struggling with generic AI outputs, right side, person getting perfect results. No fluff. No theory. Just what actually works. Text overlay, the 3 types of AI users. Here's what nobody tells you. There are only 3 types of AI users in the world right now. B-roll, 3 doors appearing one by one. Door number 1, the copy pastors. They ask a basic question, take the first answer, and move on. 72% of all AI users live behind door number 1. Chart showing, door 1 equals 72%, door 2 equals 21%, door 3 equals 7%. Door number 2, the tweakers. They ask, then refine, then ask again. They get decent results. They're happy enough. 21% of users. Door number 3, the architects. They build. They think before they type. They use a system most people have never even heard of. Text overlay, 7% of users get 93% of the value. The architects are 7% of AI users. And they capture 93% of the actual value. Slow zoom in on the 7% number. But here's the part nobody talks about. Text overlay, the copy-paste trap. The copy-pasters aren't lazy. They were trained wrong. B-roll, Google search bar typing, autocomplete suggestions popping up. For 25 years, we've been trained to type 3 words into Google and click the first link. That's how the internet works. That's how we learn to ask questions. B-roll, person rapidly typing 3 to 4 word prompts into ChatGPT. So when AI showed up, everyone did the same thing. Type a few words. Hit enter. Take the answer. Text overlay, Google Brain versus AI Brain. And the AI companies designed their tools to reward that behavior. The chat interface looks like texting. The button says send. Everything about it screams, keep it short, keep it simple. Animation, simple prompt generic answer versus complex prompt brilliant answer. This is why 72% of AI users are stuck. Not because they're not smart enough. Because they were set up to fail. B-roll, person frustrated, deleting AI output, starting over. I spent 6 months studying how the top 7% actually use these tools. What I discovered completely changed everything. Text overlay, the 3-word rule. Every single high performer I studied used some version of what I now call the 3-word rule. B-roll, clean white screen, 3 words appearing one at a time with impact sound effect. Context. Constraints. Calibration. Text overlay, context, constraints, calibration. Let me break this down. Because this is the single most valuable thing you will hear about AI in 2026. B-roll, person typing a long, detailed prompt into Claude. Context means, you tell the AI who it is, what you need, and why you need it. Not in 3 words. In 3 sentences. Minimum. Split screen, short prompt write a sales email versus long prompt describing audience, tone, goal, format. When I tested this with 200 different tasks, the difference was not small. Context-rich prompts produced outputs that were scored 3.4 times higher by independent reviewers. Chart showing 3.4x improvement with visual emphasis. 3.4 times better. Same AI. Same tool. Different approach. Text overlay, constraints, the secret weapon. Constraints is where most people panic. They think limiting the AI will make the output worse. B-roll, artists sketching inside defined borders, creating something beautiful within limits. The opposite is true. Animation, AI.